Bobrisky don't come again. These guys, see, for this life, so everybody are just in a competition with each other. No be last week or the day before yesterday, this guy James Brown is also a cross-dresser, like a male who tried to turn to a female by putting on makeups and other unnecessary thing. Posted that he just relocated to United Kingdom or London. Imagine, within few days also, Bobrisky also came out to show that she is not superior. Why? Competition for this industry too much. Musicians will compete, Nollywood actors will compete, Nollywood filmmakers will compete, musicians will compete, footballer will compete, everybody will compete with themselves. Wetin happen? Wetin gonna happen? Play. Make everybody do their thing, make they do their way, everybody make they do their thing. But na lie, everybody shall do long, everybody wan buga. Portable come enter inside private jet, see a lot of money, bringing out a lot of cashes. So she's now saying with a caption that nobody born their papa well, stuff like that. Not good. What she's trying to say, even Bobrisky herself, what influence and what good has she brought to Nigerian youth? She has no value she's giving to the Nigerian instead of encouraging them into cross-dressing. Though cross-dressing is allowed in Nigeria, though I don't know, maybe it's legalized, but it's somehow allowed, because if cross-dressing is not allowed, most of these people should have been sued to court or jailed. Well, now their problem be that, though. Guys, may we not forget to subscribe. Please, don't forget to subscribe.